All right, hey, how's it going, guys? Super Duper Productions here with another video. I got a mess in the garage, don't worry about it. Been slowly cleaning it up. Took a bunch of things to scrap yesterday, but without further ado, let's go take my cars to the dyno. I'm gonna take the GTR today, see what she makes. Gonna take the Q. She's back, she's ready. She's ready to play again. Getting them ready for the track only. But yeah, let's get to it. So if you guys don't follow the channel, here's my GTR, FBOE, you know, bolt-ons, carbon hood, carbon trunk, 17 front end. It's a 14. Don't let that fool you. And I got a Q50, big turbos, full fuel system, basically the whole nine. Everything except built motor, LSD, all that. Hoping for 700s again. The other motor lifted ahead, it blew up, but we're back. Gonna give her a quick little wash right now because it's disgusting. I haven't washed it in like over a year because it's been sitting in the backyard just because I haven't had time. But this is my Q. If you guys don't know, it's really disgusting. Got carbon hoods, carbon fenders, RPF ones, drag pack in the rear, which need to be replaced. We're just gonna run it for the dyno and then go get new tires and stuff for it. But yeah, I'm gonna give her a quick wash and then probably head out to the dyno. All right, so there she is, all washed up. She actually cleaned up pretty nice for sitting for a year. Man, I miss this car. Down for a whole year. Yeah, we'll see what she does at the dyno. Hopefully for like 7-ish. We'll see. Last time we made 709, so this time hoping for like 730, 740. We'll see. It is what it is, as long as it stays together this time. Hopefully we don't lift ahead, but I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna head out. Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm finally gonna tune the Q50. This is probably gonna be a fucked up ass video compared to the next one, but we're out here at the dyno. Q50's over there, and we got some other ones tuning right now. Let me show you. That's one of the shop cars. It's a little loud. All right, so here we are. We got the dyno. Got her strapped up. Let's see what she makes. Look at that. Bucket seats. Baby seat. Hopefully she don't blow up. This is my only ride home. There's the vent all broken.
Out of town, in and out, so I miss my brother, so I got
So as you saw, Q50 made decent power. I'm gonna put it right here. It made 697. The exhaust is too restrictive. I don't want to go back to dumps, so I'm gonna figure out how to do a custom exhaust dump setup on a valve. That way I get the power, and whenever I'm on a cruise, it's chilling. But what just came in? Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this. It's been like months, but it finally came in. Definitely worth the wait. Way cheaper too. But and she looks good. Let me flip the camera around. Look at that weave. They did a great job, honestly. We'll see how Fitment is once it's on. But dang, they did a good job, honestly. And this is the one with the little factory duckbill. Oh, shout out to my son. He's gonna help me install it. Santi, we're gonna install this? Santi, we're gonna install this? Yeah? Yeah? All right, cool. All right, so, and I just do a quick install on this real quick. Very simple. Swap everything over. These bolts right here. Let's get it on. All right, so here it is. take a good look at this stock stuff. Doesn't look bad. It's a good look. But it's time. It's time for that. For that nice carbon one. Let's start taking this shit off. Alright, if y'all did this job, y'all forgot how the wiring goes. It's kind of how it goes. I took that off already. But let's keep going. Alright, so I got everything connected. I just need to put that cover back on. Hey, I seen everything fit really well. The only thing I had to do is just cut some little tabs off the taillights. And that's about it. Just the inner or the outer tabs. I have those little plastic tabs. I just cut it off. Could have made another hole, and then it was just missing this hole right here. All of the other ones were there. I'll put the link in the description because honestly, fit really good price. I think I got it 800 shipped, brand new. So let's keep going. All right, so there she is. Made that thing look factory. I had to use different clips. I always have to keep extra different type of clips so they fit better. But everything's on. See how she sits. Oh, let me take these tools out the way. Let's see. Everything should be connected. Sheesh. That looks so good. Oh my God. Can't wait. Honestly, the gaps are really good. I adjusted a little bit, but the gaps are super good. Like literally almost perfect fit. I would say it's like pretty perfect. Like pretty sure that's how the stock one fits. But dang, it looks good. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, put the license plate back on, and I'll get back to you. All right, so here's the final product. Looks good. Still haven't cleaned it, my bad. But dang, it looks good. Honestly, with the license plate, I just put double-sided tape for now. Hopefully it holds. I'm not really too worried about it. But everything works as it should. I put all the plastics. I put the little jumpers or whatever the fuck whatever these things are called. That way it pops up. Everything's on. Only thing I lost was this clip. I'm gonna get new ones of these anyways because these are worn out. Probably Amazon usually sells those for like 20, 30 bucks. So I'm gonna get those. Yeah, we should be good. Everything works as it should. Let me see if let me turn on the lights. You know, license plate lights, tail lights, everything's working good as it should. Honestly, really good fitment. Trying to do a few minor modifications, but honestly, I've installed a lot of carbon, and this is probably one of the best fitting ones. Best fitting and like one of the best like they did a good job on like placing all the holes for the tabs and everything. Because usually you just gotta get rid of all of them and just figure out your own way. Like the one on the GTR. Honestly, it did not fit great. It still doesn't fit great. I'm gonna take it to an auto body art later on, but I mean, it's good enough for now. But it's just things that I noticed because it just bothers me. Kind of like the hood too, you know, it has like that gap. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And the next thing is I'm gonna polish these wheels and get new tires. Because obviously I took the paint off. It's not fully off yet. I need one more coat, and then I'm gonna go get new tires after I polish them. But peace.